Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my laundry room over. As you can see, it looks like nothing right now, but y'all don't worry, your girl's about to glam it up. I've been super busy, so I haven't had time to get much done around the house, so we're going to do that today. We purchased some wood from Home Depot and some black stain, and we let it sit overnight. Oh, and I promised to leave you guys the links below on everything in this video because y'all was killing the girl when I didn't leave the links for the closet video. My bad, y'all. I'm new to this. I ain't true to this yet, but your girl is getting there, so I got y'all covered. After that, we went ahead to the at-home store in Atlanta, and I purchased some pictures, and we also got some paint, some tile, which you guys are going to see in a minute. I decided to go with this black tile because it just went with the look that we were trying to go for the laundry room. So now I'm going in and adding the crystals to the chandelier that my husband installed. Thank you to my man. But I know some of you guys are going to be like, a chandelier in the laundry room, really, Quetta? But trust me, stay with me to the end.
Rewind, come again.
So I had to bring the man of the hour in to help me hang this sign because I didn't feel like getting a ladder, and he's tall, so he had your girl covered. Thanks, babe. I decided to add a little bit of greenery in here just to break up the color some and to give it a little pop. So I know you guys see me placing the plants at the bottom in this scene right here, but at the end of the video you'll see that I added these to the top just because it gave a better look. As y'all can see, this shelf is made for tall people, and your girl is not tall, but luckily my husband is, so we're gonna work with it with how it is.
Rewind, come again.
So here is the final look, and y'all, when I say this tile set this room off, it is everything. I feel like the video does no justice. We are, however, working on hiding the cord, but other than that, the laundry room is complete. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tap that notification bell at the bottom to stay tapped in for every time your girl drops a video. Love you guys and see you soon. Mwah.